Okay, this short video is designed to accompany your assessment for EDU 3012, Teaching Science and Technology. It's for Assessment 1 folio of teaching resources. So in this assessment, you need to complete 2 videos where they're 3 minutes duration, give or take 1 minute. So 2 minutes is the minimum, 4 minutes is the maximum. Each of your videos need to have a rationale with 800 words, give or take 10%. So again, the shortest your rationale can be is 720 words. The maximum is 880 words. This assessment is worth 30% of your total grade. As a teacher, this assessment provides the opportunity for you to be able to create a resource that you'd use in the classroom. Teachers regularly create resources for teaching, whether they be tangible objects such as posters or flashcards, or multimedia objects such as online resources or videos. A key consideration when producing and using resources is the ability to determine their quality and appropriateness for the teaching and learning of a concept for a particular age group. This assessment gives you an opportunity to showcase your capability in using information and communication technologies to produce 2 short videos, while demonstrating your ability to design video teaching resources that are appropriate to the year level grouping. In this assessment, you are required to create 2 videos. One video needs to be created in regards to digital technology concept. You can choose a year level from year 3 to 6, 1 year level, and you can find additional help with this section in the week 4 learning materials. The second video that you're going to create needs to be in regards to design and technology concept, which this video needs to be catering for foundation to year 2. And you can find more information about design and technology concept in the week 3 of the learning materials. So this is an opportunity for you to be creative. However, you must make sure that the concepts you cover align with a content description from the Australian curriculum, especially in particular technologies. You need to assume that you will be with the class when the video resource is being played. You need to ensure that the video matches the concept to the appropriate curriculum and age group, accurately presents the concept. Your video needs to be engaging, inclusive, and model safe practices. Your written rationale needs to be 800 words, and you need to cover the 4 dot points. You may use subheadings to ensure that you are answering each of these points. Point 1. How the video supports the learning of the concept. Point 2. How the video could be used in an individual lesson and where it might fit within a unit sequence. For example, it may be the way that you warm up the class, your introductory phase to the lesson. How the next dot point, how the approach you've used to present the concept in the video is underpinned by effective pedagogy. The 4th dot point, why the approach you have chosen is engaging, inclusive, and demonstrates appropriate safe practices. You are expected to draw on unit learning materials and wider research. Cite these in APA style and include a reference list. The reference list is not included in the word count. However, all other words within the body of your rationale are included in the word count. Here is a guide that will help you with your APA formatting of the document. So you need to make sure that your lines are double spaced, your font size is a size 12, you're using Times New Roman, the justification is to the left, and you can continue to read through those. In this assessment, you need to be able to demonstrate 4 key criteria. You need to show that you have knowledge and understanding, analysis and evaluation, communication, oral and written, through technology, and academic expression. This assessment task, there are 5 levels that you can achieve. So an N would be unsatisfactory, meaning that you have not sufficiently met the criteria to pass the assessment. At a pass level, you can see here what you need to achieve in order to pass the assessment task. Moving on to a credit level, you needed to have achieved everything within the pass to then be able to achieve a credit level. Going forward to the distinction level, again, you must have achieved everything in the pass and the credit to then be able to receive a distinction level. You need to be able to satisfactorily show us that you can achieve all of these in the distinction category. A high distinction is, again, you must satisfactorily demonstrate all of the features on this slide. So the video needs to demonstrate innovative and original choices that have been carefully chosen to effectively and accurately present technological concepts matched to the Australian curriculum documentation and engage your target year level. The rationale. Your rationale demonstrates a sophisticated and insightful reflective analysis of your video submissions. This is evident in the way you logically and meaningfully justify your choices in relationship to contemporary pedagogy and classroom practice. Your response purposely integrates a wide range of relevant academic readings to support your discussion, showing evidence of a familiarity with current research. In order to submit your assessment, you need to do this through Turnitin. There are more detailed instructions available in the Assessment 1 folder in Blackboard. There's also some helpful hints on how to create video presentations in the student toolbox, so please make sure you visit that for some helpful hints. You also need to make sure that you provide us with a URL that is working. Please make sure a good idea is to check with a friend, perhaps email them the URL and check that they are able to access your presentation so that it's not lost. And finally, please make sure that you use the discussion board to work together with your ELA and also other students. That way we can all work together to complete this assessment task. If you have any problems, please make sure you get in contact with your ELA or with the unit coordinator, myself, Ellen Pearson. Okay, thanks everyone, and best of luck with your assessment.